Georgia just had to get in the water. You better come back up here. This is Cherry Creek, and we are in the Gila National Forest. Georgia, you better come back up. We are in the Gila National Forest. It is February 16th, 2026. Made a pit stop at Cherry Creek Campground to use the bathroom over there. But we are headed towards Gila Hot Springs and Campground. I had a couple days off work and I thought I'd take a little trip. I've been wanting to go to this hot springs and campground for a couple years and I just never made it out. But now we're doing it. Georgia! And they do allow dogs. So she's gonna come with me. It's Monday now. We've already been out for a couple days. We stayed, let's see, Saturday night south of Bowie. It's called Indian Bread Rocks BLM area. Stayed there. And then last night we stayed at the Silver City KOA, which was very nice. 5 stars. I would stay there again. Yeah, just making a pit stop here. I wanted to check out this campground. This would be a nice campground for the summer. We're probably only, I don't know, 4.5 hours from Tucson. So it'd be easy to get to. Jordan, you better stay over here. Come here. It's beautiful. It's probably like 55 degrees, 60 maybe. Oh, and it's super nice. So yeah, we'll explore here a little bit and then make our way down the road to the hot springs. Catch you there. Alright, Jordan, let's go find our campsite. So we just registered here. That's a little registration hut. And we're number 8. Oh, and that's the bathroom. So let's go find our site here. we're right on the water, Georgia. Okay, that's number 7. This is number 8. Yes. Okay, here's the new setup. This is a Coleman Comfort Plus Deluxe, I think, cot from, well, my dad's letting me borrow it, so I'm not sure where he got it from. But it's much more sturdy than my other one. And I still have my 4-inch mattress pad. And then my 15-degree bag. Always bring this puppy with me. Show you. So my front seat is all the way forward and it fits perfectly. Home sweet home. What's the temperature? 60 Fahrenheit. What is that? Like 15 Celsius. Try it this way. Come here. This is campsite number 7. And then we have number 8. Okay, it is 3:45, so I am going to enjoy an adult beverage, and then we'll check out the hot springs. I got these in Silver City, Equilibrium, West Coast Style IPA. Where is this from? Middletown, New York. So we'll check it out. Oh my goodness. Okay, relax. Okay, let's try this. Oh my god, I didn't even open it all the way. Cheers. Wow. That's good. What is this called? Field Theory. So, we're all set up here. Propane fire pit tonight. And we'll be sleeping in the truck. I'll show you how I set that up later. And this is the Gila River right here. It's perfect. I think that van right there is our only neighbor. So this place, the Gila Hot Springs and Campground, it's only $12 a night. But I recommend reserving way in advance. I don't even remember when I made this reservation. I could stay here for a week. Okay, so up the road a couple minutes from this campground is a general store called Doc Campbell's Post, and it's where you can get food, gas. I don't think they have ice. I didn't see ice there, but they have all kinds of stuff, which I showed previously in the video. However, I bought a pair of Pendleton wool socks because the night that we left to go to Bowie, which was like already 2 or 3 days ago, I realized I forgot all my clothes. So I had to go to Walmart in Silver City and buy a shirt. Bought the shirt. I already had these pants. I bought these like fake Walmart Crocs, which are too big because they were on sale. I bought another hoodie and like another Henley shirt at Tractor Supply. Oh, and I bought this hat in Silver City because I forgot my hat. So yeah, now I have a pair of merino wool Pendleton socks because it's gonna get cold and I don't want my feet to be cold. So yeah, I always say it's not a camping trip if you don't forget something, and I always forget something. This time it was my clothes, which is fine. But now I have a story behind these socks, and every time I wear them, I'll think of this trip, so it works out. How much were these? Let's not talk about how much they are. But yeah, I'll put those on later and be warm. With my Tractor Supply long sleeve shirt. This was also on clearance for like $12. But I don't give up that easily. As long as I have the necessities. And even then, like if I didn't have my sleeping bag, you could just go to Walmart and buy one. Like, no big deal. But we're here. And we're gonna enjoy it. Oh, and I forgot also, there are hot springs here, and I forgot my my swimsuit. So I'm just gonna be in my probably sports bra and underwear because I don't have anything else. But we'll make it work. Hi, Georgia. She doesn't have anything to pack. She just has to jump in the car and she's ready. Georgia. Georgia, come. This would be really nice to swim in the summer. Get warm in the pools and then go for a little swim like Georgia's doing right now. Georgia, what are you doing? Heard it. If there was ever a doubt that she was a dachshund, here's proof right here. I guess she'll go wherever. Gerda, no, this way. I want to go this way. Thank you. Come here, this way. Come here. Come here. Let's hook you back up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gerda, wait. Come here. There you go. Okay, it's like 7:15, and I'm gonna make some dinner. We're just going easy today. We're going with the OG Beyond Outdoor Meals Chicken Alfredo. I don't see anybody out here. I think everybody went inside. So later tonight, I'm gonna go to the hot springs. Probably around 9 or 10, just so I can have it to myself. That'll be nice. Yeah, so I've got my water here in the pit here. I'll make some chicken Alfredo. And I'm listening to My Favorite Murder. I like to have a podcast on just to have some noise. Yeah, so enjoy dinner and just hang out.
We're proud of you. We're grateful. We're proud of you for going to shows and getting into the mix. Yeah, thank you for supporting us. Hey, is it birthday corner? Oh, it is birthday corner. Is it birthday corner, Steven? That's right. It's Steven's birthday corner. It's Steven's birthday corner. Hey. Yay. Steven, it was your birthday. I thought you were going to give a good hi. Say hi, birthday boy. It's like we're at TGI Fridays and he knows that someone's about to come singing and we're all just like, oh, it's going to come. So worst feeling, or you're waiting for that sombrero to get thrown down. Have you ever done that to someone whose birthday it wasn't? Oh, shit. It's twisted. Yeah. Can I tell it? Well, I won't tell it now because we're trying to give a birthday greeting, but one time people did that and they were talking about me before I came back from the bathroom and I thought they were talking shit about me and I started crying. And then...
Good morning. Oh, ow! 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 Start it this way. Come here. Good morning. Come here. Okay. Let me show you the map of the campground here. So there's 12 sites. We were in number 8. There's also day use. It's about a 2-hour maximum. Overnight camping is $12. Checkout time is 11. And I'll show you the hot spring. She's cleaning them right now, so it might be a little loud. But we'll go look at them. Ready, come here. No, don't go in. Here's another one. So there's 3 pools. Very nice. The Gila River is just over there. Very nice. Yeah, this way. Come here. You hungry? Okay, I'm gonna get Georgia some breakfast and then I think we're gonna get packed up and get going. What time is it? 8 o'clock on the dot. But it is cold and windy and I think it's gonna start raining, so it's pretty dark out. I don't know if you can kind of tell the clouds. So I'm gonna try to get packed up before it starts raining. But first, Georgia has to eat. You hungry? Yum. You hungry? Good girl. There you go. I actually slept pretty good last night. I'm surprised. Probably went to bed, like, actually fell asleep around midnight or so. And then I woke up and all of a sudden it was like 5:30 in the morning. I also will say that it was much warmer here than it was in Silver City. Silver City was freezing! And here it was much warmer. So that's probably why I slept better. Our neighbors are heading out too. It's just cold and rainy and windy. But it's beautiful. Okay, let's get packed up. Alright, all packed up in no organized way because it's raining and I want to leave. Georgia, you ready? I will definitely be back here. It was very nice. Beautiful, quiet. Nobody had a generator. People were respectful. Nice. Georgia, you're all wet. It's raining and she's got her head out the window. Georgia, you're all wet. This is the Gila River. Oh, beautiful. Sign. Jordan, you gonna go potty? Go potty. Okay. So this is what the road we're on. It's called Trail of the Mountain Spirits. And it starts in Silver City. And then Pinos Altos is where we were yesterday. And then that's where we stayed, Gila Hot Springs. There's the CDT. And it goes all the way around. So there's Silver City, and we drove all up through here. We're here now. And then we stayed at the hot springs. And then it looks like there's a loop here. Oh yeah, pretty cool. Oh yeah, the lake. And at the end, well, at the top of this is the Gila Cliff Dwellings National Monument. Pretty cool. Okay, Georgia, where did you go? Georgia, come back here. Let's go. Come on. It's pouring rain. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Woo. Jordan, come on. Let's go. Jordan, come on. Let's go. Did you go potty? Did you go potty or did you just go exploring? Yeah, this whole area, it says super volcanoes of the Mogollon Mountains. So this whole area is just full of volcanic activity. Look at all of them, Georgia. Whoa.